Okay, so here I am with the previous dictionary of the English to German words, some animals here. So how do you add a new entry to the dictionary, meaning a new key value pair? Well, it's really easy. So all I have to do is reference a dictionary that's called words, and then provide the key. Remember, the key is the English word of the animal. So here I'm providing lion as the key, and then equals, and then the value. That's it. You can add an entry very easily. You know, one thing about dictionaries, they are not sorted. They're unordered. Unlike lists, lists maintain the order that you put the entries into, and you can do an insert and append, and but dictionaries are different. They're just kind of, the items go in kind of willy-nilly, and you don't really have control over the order of the items in the dictionary. So anyway, I've added lion to the dictionary. And to delete entries, you have a couple of options. You can, if you just want to delete something and it's gone and you don't need it, you can just use the del, D-E-L keyword, and then just delete, but referencing the key, okay? So that would delete the cow. And then you can also, if you need to somehow get the value, you want to delete it from the dictionary, but you don't want to throw it away necessarily like we did the cow. You want to save it somehow. I created a variable called goodbye, to receive the item that's being deleted, and or the key value pair, I should say, that's being deleted. And excuse me, then you use the pop method. So del, D-E-L is for when you just want to delete it and you don't need it. You just want to get it out of there, and that's it. You don't need the actual, don't need to preserve what you're deleting. But when you're popping it, that means, wait a minute, I want to remove it from the dictionary, but I still want it. Okay, I still want to keep it in a variable. Then you would use pop. Okay, so yeah, I'll just run that, and let's see. Oh, hang on here, I want to be careful. So what do we have left? So remember, I added the lion. There's a lion at the end. Then I deleted the cow and the bird. Okay, and we don't see them there, so that worked out. And then let's say I want to delete a word. Okay, but I only want to delete it, obviously, if it's in there. I can do the same technique that we did in the previous video using the in keyword. Okay, so I put fish in the looking for variable. If fish is in the dictionary, then I'm going to delete that. Okay, but we know it's not in the dictionary. Okay. And then lastly, now you want to be careful with this one, but if you want to just blow away all of the entries, all of the key value pairs in the dictionary, you can use the clear method. That's going to wipe the whole thing out. Okay, so there it is, my empty dictionary, because I wiped everything out. So obviously be careful with that one.